You gotta love it. You gotta love it. Look at this. Is it cold enough for y'all? Woo! Good night. Hey, y'all, it's me, Marty. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Happy December 1st, 2024. Yes, this is going to be a short video because I'm cold. I am out in my workshop. It's Sunday morning. I'm out here for a little bit, just working on a couple of projects. And I did have my heater going, but it's barely taking the chill out, so to speak. But I had to turn the heater off so that I can make the video. Otherwise, you wouldn't be able to hear me. Yeah, it's chilly in here. It is 2 degrees outside. 2 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know what that is in Celsius. Probably negative 20, 30 or something. I don't know. Anyway, it's chilly. But anything for you guys. But I still love it, too. I still love it. It's cold, but I still love it better than summer and bugs and heat and humidity and all that stuff. It's wonderful. Yeah, there's no mosquitoes today. That's a good thing. Anywho, hope you're all doing well. Thought I'd show you a little project here. This isn't a new project, but just a new addition to it and maybe some other options on it. And yeah, kind of fun here. Crazy. It's cold inside my shop. It's even colder outside. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. A Christmas tree. This is the Mitered Christmas tree, and I actually made a video of this last year. Now, this is nothing new, but I just wanted to show you again and show you something I added to it and some other options on it. These are the Mitered Christmas trees that everybody's making, and it's for the last few years, these have been pretty popular, and people are making them all different sizes and different things about them and stuff. And y'all know that I'm doing since I've been home the last week, I've been doing some different Christmas projects and making videos, and I'm trying to bring some older stuff back, some nostalgic projects and stuff, and I have a lot more ideas I'm going to be doing in the next month. But I thought I'd do some newer things too, some things that everybody's making, because those are kind of fun, so kind of mix it up. So these are really kind of neat, and here's the thing about these. These are super easy to make, y'all. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm just going to give you a couple of basic things about these Christmas trees, and then I'll tell you what I added. Okay, so you can make these on your miter saw. If you have a power miter saw, if you have a hand miter saw, or you cut them by hand, you could do that. You could do it that way. But if you have a miter saw, it's easy. All you do is set your miter saw to 30 degrees to cut all these angles. Okay, and you can make any size. This size here is, I didn't measure the height of it, but ooh, my fingers are cold. It is just under 16 inches tall by just under 14 inches wide. So basically 14 by 16. And I used 1x3s to make this, okay? So here's the thing, is all you need to make this Christmas tree, you cut 6 of these at 6 inches, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of the sides are 6 inches, and the base is 6 inches, okay? Then you cut 1 that's 6 3/4 inches. That's this one. And the reason that one is 3/4 inch longer is because it overlaps right here, okay? And and if you just think about it this way, you're going to cut 7 of them, but one of them is going to be 3/4 inch longer because it's doing an overlap. Does that make sense? So that basically the thickness of your wood, whatever thickness you're making this at, and most people use 3/4 inch thick wood. The one board, just one piece here, is 3/4 of an inch longer, which is the thickness of the board because it overlaps. If that makes sense. So yeah, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 at 6 inches, and 1 at 6 3/4 inches, and then the base down here is this 12. That one's 12 inches. That's all you need to make this Christmas tree, this size. Okay, and you can make them all different sizes too. You just change whatever size. I made another one last year that was, I think, there were 3 inches was the basic, for all the sides, and then it was 3 3/4. So you can make them really small. You can make them much bigger than this. You can use 1x3. Well, you can use 1 You can use 1 inch if you want. Make them really thin. 1 inch, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. That's what this is. This is 1 by 3s, 1 by 4s, 1 by 6s, 1 by 8s, whatever. You could do. You can make them out of 2 by 4s. You just have to adjust the thickness and the dimensions or whatever. But basically, it's the same. It's 30 degrees on your miter saw, and then you just cut all those parts, and then just you can just use clamps. I use a nail gun and glue to put them together. Really simple, kind of neat project. Now, what I added to this morning is 2 little shelves in here. So simple. And they're still 30 degrees. So I added, this one here is a 7.5 inch shelf. And this is a 4 inch one. And I just glued them in there. And now I can set, little things. You could put like in the house, we had a little nativity candle right here. Or you could put a candle or little Christmas decorations, whatever in there. My fingers are cold. Is it cold enough for you? Yeah, it's cold enough for me. Anyway, yeah, so you can make it a shelf. And then just hang it on the wall. Actually, you can just put a nail and it'll just hang right here. Or you could put a hanger on the back. So you could hang it on a wall. You could also put a back on this. You could actually lay these down and use it as a box too. Not put the shelves in and just have it as a Christmas tree box for like ornaments or different candy and nuts that sit on the counter or in the kitchen. There's so many uses for these, and you can make, again, so many different sizes, and it's just kind of fun. And this one's just left natural. We have a smaller one in the house that my wife painted green. You can paint them different colors. You can wrap Christmas lights around them. You can put Christmas lights in them. Super simple project, the Mitered Christmas tree. Again, just 30 degrees on your miter saw, and then just, the dimensions change as you make them different sizes. But, yeah, pretty basic. I just wanted to show you. I made this one with a couple of shelves in it. And, yeah, they're just fun. They're easy. They're simple. Very cool. And so many options, so many different things you can do with these. I just wanted to show you again how simple they are to make. Anybody can do this. You can make all different sizes, all different options, and you can put shelves in like this. So, yeah, very cool. No, I'm not smoking. That's frozen air. Anyway, yeah, give it a try. A neat new project this Christmas for a decoration, for a gift, or you can sell these too, whatever. But yeah, anyway. Thanks so much for, I can't even talk. My mouth's frozen. Thanks so much for watching. Please give us a like if you like it. Subscribe to my channel. I'm almost 800. I'm so thankful for all of you subscribers and viewers who watch my channel. Again, I just do it for fun. This is my hobby, and I hope you enjoy. And yeah, Merry Christmas and have a wonderful day.